Remote controlled car.
Watch your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather classic. Got the spirits in your Prada bag, so rolling summer servants, taking a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she.
Thunder, tara dito.
Time check, it's currently 5:55 and aalis tayo maya-maya kasi manonood tayo ng Conjuring the Last Rites sa SM North The Block. Nagaya yung kapatid ni GD na manood, so manonood tayo. Even though hindi talaga ako nanonood ng horror movie. So, pag nanonood ako normally, nakaganon lang ako. Tapos biglang tatanong ko sa kanila kung anong nangyari, o kung sinong lumabas, anong nakita. Tayo. Egg meron pa. Tapos
we actually do have at each line items, but we can definitely, you know.
I initially don't know what number to set here, but
I wasn't honestly going in the truck. I think what happens when he traffic offered to upsell the project. So this is
okay, so today mag-unbox tayo nung pinamili namin nung 99. Ito yung in-order kong magnet bracket para sa DJI. Gamit nila yon para mas maganda yung angles na kinukunan nila for the vlog. So, ayan siya. Back mirror for the car. Kasi may naka-install sa aming dashcam, pero hindi namin makita yung dog sa likod. So, bumili si Kiwi ng mirror. Tempered glass. Kasi yung ginagamit naming protector ngayon sa phone is parang matte finish siya. Next, what we have is, oh my god, this is for the dogs. Remote controlled car. Dream talaga ni Jiggy magkaroon ng ganito, pero main purpose niya para daw may kalaro yung dogs namin. And now, bumili si Jiggy ng remote controlled car. Kaso ang liit. Babe, ganito ba talaga ito kaliit? Lastly, so ito yung binili namin. It's a flat map. Nakita namin to sa Angko pero 1,200. Tapos isang peraso lang yung map head niya. So sabi ko kay Gigi, bumili na lang kami online kasi ito 250 lang ata. Eh panglinis lang naman ng dingding. So sabi niya, pwede na pala. May panglinis na tayo ng dingding. May magnet sa likod. Paano mo kinabit yan?
Dinikit ko lang.
Ayan. Didikit niya sa ref. So, ayan siya.
Yung unang dalawa.
First two. Welcome to our ref. Yung naghihintay na sa toy car niya. It's time, Dad, to open it.
Breakfast burrito. And then ito, kare-kare. Ay, dami.
She's used to falling all alone, watching her animated shows. You'll find her dancing in the streets with her headphones on a Saturday night.